How to use Wrike Professional Services properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Wrike is a powerful project management and professional services platform, but many beginners make costly mistakes that slow workflows and reduce efficiency. Most people get this wrong, but here is why mastering Wrike is essential for smooth operations. A common mistake is failing to structure projects effectively. Wrike allows folders, projects, and tasks with custom fields, but beginners often leave everything in a flat list. This creates confusion, missed deadlines, and duplicated work. The best practice is to break projects into clear phases, assign tasks with deadlines, and use folders to organize teams and departments. Another frequent error is underutilizing automation. Wrike offers workflow automation for task assignments, status updates, and notifications. Many users continue doing these manually, which wastes time and increases human error. Automating repetitive tasks ensures consistency and frees your team to focus on high-value work. Collaboration mistakes are also common. Wrike enables comments, file sharing, and live editing, but beginners often rely on emails or third-party tools instead. Keeping all communication within Wrike ensures everyone stays on the same page, reducing miscommunication and lost information. Reporting is another area where beginners stumble. Wrike provides dashboards and real-time analytics for workload, progress, and project health. Ignoring these insights can prevent teams from spotting bottlenecks or resource imbalances. Regularly reviewing dashboards helps managers allocate resources efficiently and meet deadlines. Lastly, not using integrations properly is costly. Wrike connects with CRMs, cloud storage, and communication tools. Beginners who skip these integrations lose efficiency and duplicate work across platforms. Integrating your key tools ensures a seamless workflow and keeps everyone aligned. To use Wrike Professional Services properly, structure projects clearly, leverage automation, centralize collaboration, track analytics, and integrate key tools. Avoiding these common beginner mistakes transforms Wrike from a simple task tracker into a robust professional services platform that streamlines work, improves team productivity, and delivers client success.